Okay, check it out. I rented the Varathane EZV floor sander as opposed to a drum sander because the floors in this house are 3/8 rather than 3/4. Didn't want to take the chance of sanding down to the tongue and groove. Anyway, check this out. Look at how this thing runs. Let's turn on the vacuum. Okay, I think the reason Varathane rents out such a wimpy machine is because it's kind of dummy proof. You can't do a lot of damage with this thing. But the problem with that is that this little room is going to take 8 hours per sandpaper grit to finish with this thing. On the other hand, the Clark little edger, this Super 7R, in like 15 minutes I went all the way, pretty much halfway around the room, went over from there all the way to about the center of that window over there, at least a third of the room, in 15 minutes, and only used up one sheet of sandpaper, one sheet of 36. This thing, I've gone through 15 sheets already, and haven't done shit. I could probably accomplish more with the edger than this thing, but I sure as hell don't want to do that. I think I'll finish up the 36 grit and then go with the next, the finer papers with the drum sander, just to speed things up. I don't want to make a week-long job out of this. God, I was going to do more than one room. I'm glad I'm just doing this one for now. But yeah, maybe there's something wrong with this one. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, If anybody knows something I don't know, please leave a comment. Let me know. Consider this my review of the Varathane EZV sander, and in my opinion, it's a piece of shit. Alrighty then.